Introducing the T-Power AC/DC Adapter Charger, the perfect solution for powering your Williams, Allegro 88 key piano and Yamaha Digital Piano MIDI keyboard series. Before you make your purchase, please ensure that your model number matches the list below to ensure compatibility. This adapter is designed to take an input of 100V to 4V and provide an output of DC 12 volts. Compatible models: Williams Allegro 88 key piano, Williams Legato 88 key, Yamaha YPG to 35MS, YPG to 35, YPG to 35AD, YPG to 35mm, Yamaha CP33, CP33, Yamaha CS1X, CS2X, Yamaha AN1X, AN200, AN200X, Yamaha DJX405, Yamaha DSR100, DSR200, DSR500, Yamaha DGX series, 202, 203, 205, 220, 230, 300, 305, 500, 505, 520, 530, 620, 630, Yamaha DD series, 10, 11, 12, 14, 20, 2OS, 3, 35, 5, 50, 55, 55C, 6, 65, 7, 8, 9, Yamaha PSR series, 260, 262, 275, E2 for 3, E253, E333, E3 for 3, E353, E4 to 3, E4 for 3, 210, YPT to 10, YPG 6 to 5, Yamaha Z series, 20 to 50I, 30, EG, EG, J14, J24, TP, Yamaha NP30, Yamaha P series, 140s, 60, 65, 70s, 85, 85s, 140, 80, Yamaha PC series, 100, 1000, 50, Yamaha PCR 800, Yamaha PC series, 30, 500, Yamaha PS series, 200, 300, 400, Yamaha PSS series, 100, 102, 104, 11, 110, 12, 120, 130, 14, 140, 150, 160. This adapter is also compatible with various other Yamaha models, including PSR, YPT, EZ, YDD, DD, and more. With the T-Power AC/DC adapter charger, you can power your piano or keyboard with ease, ensuring uninterrupted playtime. If you have any questions about compatibility or the product itself, please feel free to reach out to us. We are here to assist you.